Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum, Namaskar. Regarding COVID-19, Ramadan versus COVID-19 means, I mean to say that the corona has no mouth, no eyes, no ears, no nose. Sorry, it has nose. Why I am telling like this? Because before this going to be infect any human, this is not going to be informed from the mouth. It won't see either he is poor or rich. It won't listen because there is so many religion in this world. They are all praying and crying, but it's not listening. It's affecting the humans. It has only nose. This is going to be smell and infect. So we have to take care about this disease. Especially we have to follow the rules and the regulations of the country, of the law. Otherwise, we are all going to be suffer from this disease. Please, take care of yourself. Take care of your friends and family. This is my humble request to you all. And the second thing, as you know very well, this is going to be affect to your own nearest people. So you have to be take care extra. In place of your blaming particular community, particular color, particular caste, particular, I don't want to say in details. You know very well what is going on today. So anyhow, especially I wanted to give some message for the Muslim brothers. You are all very well, you know very well that the holy Ramadan month is very special for us, very special for us. We are all praying, everyone is praying in this month and doing the good services for the humanity, for the society. By the way, same time, in the end of this holy month, we have to ask our Almighty to bless us with our good job, good prayer, not by spending a lot of money on the shoppings and the new clothes. So where the whole world is suffering from this disease and where our neighbors are suffering from this disease, so we are celebrating the Eid with the new clothes. Is it fair? Is this our Islam says? To make your happiness, celebrate your Eid, celebrate your festival when somebody is in problem? No, this is unfair. So humbly, I request you all, please don't spend your money on the new clothes and the shopping. In place of you are using this money, spending the money for nothing, just to sacrifice once, sacrifice your happiness and share your happiness with your needy neighbors. Who they need, really they need their support for the food, for the education, for the health. You can use your money in good way, good path, what our Islam says. Please, so kindly I request you, say no shopping, no new clothes for this Eid especially. We will help our needy neighbors. Not neighbors means needy neighbors. Please help them that you can help the humanity. So in this way you can prove yourself that you are a good human, you are a good Muslim and you are a good Indian also. So thanks. Please say again, no shopping, no new clothes. We are going to be celebrate our Eid only with the humanity by helping. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum and